Hey everyone, I created a pretty cool extension in Google Sheets I wanted to share with you all. So if I go here, it says AI search, GPT, and Perplexity for Sheets. I can go ahead and activate that. Give it a second. What it's going to do is activate in the sheet. And now what I can do is I have two different commands I can use. Ask GPT. So now I can say, where is the HQ for the following company? And GPT will run a command, and I can pull it down across this whole place. Right. Let's say I don't really like how it gave me a whole sentence, so I'm just going to say, please only return the city and state, and country. Let's see. Do that. And then I also have Perplexity search. So Perplexity searches uses live Google results as well to do its research. And so this is good for, more real-time searches, like something like how much revenue did Walmart, oops, oh no, make in the last quarter? Please only respond with their revenue numbers. All right, I can pull this down, and what it's doing here is actually it's using my API keys. So I can select which models I want for GPT, and it's making calls directly to the Perplexity GPT API directly in my spreadsheet. And any spreadsheet I ever create, it's all kind of the same. I just go into my extensions, I activate it, and once it's activated, I can use it anywhere.